Good morning, children. Today I am going to do the problems based on trial and error method. Okay. Now let us see the problems based on trial and error method. In the previous class we have done one problem. Okay. Now let us see some more problems related to trial and error method. Okay. Here the exercise 9.3. The second problem is here y minus 2 equals to 7 is the given equation. Okay. For that equation we have to find the solution by using trial and error method. We have to find the correct value of y using trial and error method. Okay, now let us see here the substituting value is y. Okay, the substituting value is y in the given equation. So now let us start with 1. Okay, it is the value of LHS. Okay, what is the LHS here? Here LHS is y minus 2. Here LHS is y minus 2. And then the value of RHS is 7. Value of RHS is 7. LHS means left hand side part and RHS means right hand side part. Okay, this is whether LHS is equals to RHS. If LHS is equals to RHS, then we have to note the value of y. Okay, now let us start with 1. If the value of y equals to 1, then the value of LHS is 1 minus 2 equals to minus 1, and it is not equals to 7. The value of RHS is 7. Okay, it is not equal to RHS. It is not equal. Okay, now see 2. If the value is 2, 2 minus 2 equals to 0. It is not equals to 7. So we have to write not equal. Next 3. 3 minus 2, 1. It is not equal to 7. So not equal. 4. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 equals to 2. It means it is not equals to 7. Then it is not equal. Next, and then 5. 5 minus 2. 3. It is not equals to 7. So 6. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. It is not equals to 7. It is also not equal. 7. 7 minus 2. 5. It is not equals to 7, and then it is also not equal. 8. 8 minus 2. 6. And the value of RHS is 7, and it is also not equal. And 9. 9 minus 2 equal to 7. Here LHS is equals to 7. So they both are equal in this case. So here equal. We have to write here equal. So if you observe the value of y here the value of y is 9. Here the value of y is 9. So y is equal to 9 is the solution for the given equation. Okay. Here y equal to 9. What is the solution of y in the given equation? Okay, y equal to 9. Then we can get the solution of y. Okay. In this way, we have to do the trial and error method. Okay. Once again, I am saying here they have given the equation y minus 2 equal to 7. Here two parts, LHS part and RHS part. We have to equal them by using trial and error method. In trial and error method, we have to assume the numbers starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, in this way, if you are assuming numbers like this, then we will get the solution of the given equations. Okay. Now let us see the third problem. Fourth one is 5y equals to 15. Okay. Now let us see the equation. Okay, here is the given equation is 5y equals to 15. Here the substituting value is y, the value of LHS is 5y and the value of RHS is 15. On here we have to write whether the given equation is equals to LHS part is equal to RHS. Okay, now let us assume that if the value of y equals to 1, then the value of LHS is 5 into 1 means 5. 5 is not equals to 15, so it is not equal. Now let us assume that if the value of y equals to 2, then 5 into 2 equal to 10, then the value is not equals to 10 is not equals to 15, so it is also not a solution. Then 3, let us assume that the value of y is 3, then 5 into 3 equals to 15, here 15 equals to 15, so it is equal. Okay, then what is the solution of the given equation? Here is the solution of given equation is y equals to 3. Okay, here 3 is the solution for the given equation. Okay, in this way we have to done the problems. Okay, now let us see the next problem. 6n equal to 30. The next problem, 6n equals to 30. Okay, for this equation the substituting value is n. The LHS part is 6n. And then the RHS part is 30. Now we have to check by assuming the values of n, we have to get the solution. Okay, now here is the given equation 6n equals to 30. Here n is the substituting value by using trial and error method, and the value of LHS is 6n and the value of RHS is 30. Now we have to check whether where LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, now let us assume that the value of n equals to 1, then the value of LHS is 6 into 1, it is equals to 6, then the value of RHS is 30, it is not 6 is not equals to 30, then it is not equal condition, not equal. And now the substituting value is 2, 6 into 2, 12, then 12 is not equals to 30, then it is also not equal. Then let us assume that the value of n is 3, then n is 6 into 3, 18, 18 is not equals to 30. Let us assume that the value of n is 4, 6 4 is 24, this is also not equals to 30. Now and the value of n is y, 5, then 6 into 5 equals to 30. Here 30 equals to 30, then here the condition is equal. Here the LHS part and RHS part are equal. Where the LHS and RHS are equal, when the value of n equal to 5, then the equation satisfied. So n equal to 5. If n equal to 5, then the equation should be possible. If n equal to 5, then equation is possible. Okay. Once again I am saying, here is the given equation 6n equal to 30. Okay, here 6 into n is the left hand side part and 30 is the right hand side part. We have to substitute the n value by using trial and error method 1, 2, 3 and so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, now we have to check at which place, at where the n value we will get. Okay, by using trial and error method we can get the n value in this way. Okay, now let us see the next problem. The next problem is 3z equals to 27. 3z equals to 27. Okay, here is the substituting value is variable is z, so we have to check. We have to get the solution of z by using trial and error method. Okay, now let us see. Okay, here the substituting value is z, the left hand side part is 3z and the RHS is 27. Okay, now we have to find out the solution of z by using trial and error method. Okay, here we go with the 1. If the value of z equals to 1, then 3 into 1 equals to 3, then it is not equals to 27. Not equal to 27. Okay, now let us assume that the value is z value is 2, then 3 into 2 equals to 6. It is not equal to 27. If the value of z equal to 3, then 3 into 3, 9. It is also not equal. Now 4, 3 into 4, 12 is also not equal. And 5, 3 into 5, 15 is also not equal. Then 6, 3 into 6, 18 is also not equal to 27. Now 7 is also not equal to 27. Now 8, it is 24, it is also not equal to 27, it is also not equal. Now if you see 9, then 3 9s are 27, then 27 equals to 27 at z equals to 7, 9. If the z value is 9, then we will get the 27. Okay, if z equals to 9, then the equation should be satisfied, otherwise the equation is not possible. Okay, the solution of this given equation is 3z equals to 27 when z equal to 9. Okay, when z equal to 9, then only the given equation is possible. Okay, in this way we have to find out the solutions. We can find the solutions by using trial and error method. Okay, in the next class we will start a new lesson, new chapter. Thank you, children.